Forgotten username recovery failed on CIBC US Fix. If you're struggling to recover your CIBC US username and the system keeps saying verification failed, you're not alone. Most people run into this because of minor data mismatches, and the good news is, it's usually easy to fix once you know what to check. First, head to the official CIBC US login page and click Forgot Username. You'll need to provide your account number, social security number, and possibly your email address or date of birth. The system cross-checks this data with your profile. So, if even one detail doesn't match, like an old email or a mistyped number, the recovery will fail. If you've recently changed your email, phone or mailing address, try using the older information instead. That's the data CIBC might still have on record. Once you regain access, you can update it in your profile. If you don't receive the recovery email, check your spam or junk folder for a message from CIBC. Their automated messages can sometimes get filtered out. Also, avoid requesting multiple recovery emails. Only the most recent one will be valid and older ones will expire. If the recovery page doesn't seem to work correctly, try using a different browser or device, or clear your cookies and cache. Old browser data can sometimes block or overwrite new form entries. If none of these steps work, call CIBC US customer support directly at 1-877-448-6500. They can securely verify your identity and help you retrieve your username manually. Once you're back into your account, take a minute to update your recovery email and phone number. A small step can save you a major headache next time. So, if your CIBC US username recovery keeps failing, remember it's rarely a permanent issue. With the right info and a quick call if needed, you'll be back in control of your account in no time.